Hello, we want to continue our lesson on forms of energy, and today we are looking at electrical energy. Electrical energy. By the end of the lesson, we should be able to 1. Explain electrical energy. 2. State at least 3 sources of electrical energy. And then 3. State at least 2 uses of electrical energy. Let me ask you this question. Have you ever had an electrical shock before? I hope most of you will say yes. What you experienced was as a result of the flow of electrical charges or electrons through your body. What therefore is electrical energy? Let's look at the definition. When we say electrical energy, it is the type of energy produced as a result of the flow of electrical charges, which is also known as electrons, through a conductor. Let's look at this picture here. This is a typical circuit which has a bulb, a switch, and then a battery. The battery contains an energy called chemical energy, and this chemical energy is converted into electrical energy, which passes through this wire. So the charges from the battery moves through this wire called a conductor to produce what we have here, light energy through the bulb. Let's look at a typical example at home. I hope most of you might have been charging your mommy's or your daddy's phones or your personal phones. And here we have a phone here which is connected to a wire, and then with a plug getting a direct current. So current or electrical charges from here passes through this wire called the conductor and then comes to the phone for it to be charged. So that is what we call electrical energy. Let's look at what electrical energy is used for. People use electricity for 1. Lighting. At home, we can perceive vision or see when there is light. So when you switch your light on in your room, you can see well. Heating, we have microwaves being used to heat our food. We have cooling agents like air conditioners, and then the electrical energy can also be used for refrigeration. So in our daily lives, we can think of so many things of which electricity or electrical energy is used for. And we've mentioned a few of them. I have here iron, oven, cars, computers, television, radio, flashlights, etc. Let's look at sources of electrical energy. Where can we get electrical energy from? We can get it from batteries. The batteries contain chemical energy, as earlier on stated, which is converted to electrical energy. We can get it from solar cells or panels, which receives direct sunlight rays and converts them to electrical energy. And we can have that from water as well, which is also converted to electrical energy, and then we can get it also from fossil fuel. We want to end our lesson by noting down these points. Electrical energy is the energy produced as a result of the flow of electrical charges through a conductor. 2. Electrical energy can be obtained from dams, dry cells, solar cells, etc. And then 3. Electrical energy is used for lighting, cooking, and cooling, and we can have several others too. We'll call it a day. Thank you.